Good morning, sir. My name is Karina Apulina Sembiring. Today, I want to present a presentation about the nature of language and linguistics. Definition of language. What is the meaning of language? Language is something very valuable that God created to be used by humans in everyday life. Language is very much needed to humans when praying, thinking, and communicating. Language is very much needed. Language is needed in conveying information to one individual, to another, or to a group, which is usually referred to as socialization. This is one of the languages of definition by Lyons. Languages are the principal system of communication can used by a particular group of human beings within the particular society or linguistic community of which they are members. Language is a means of communication for human or Christian communities. The purpose of this statement is where each community will have a Christian language according to the place they live in. For example, the Karo people will use Karo language or be fluent in Karo. In Aceh, the people will be fluent in using the Acehnese language. Characteristic of language. 1. Language is a means of communication. 2. Language is arbitrary. Language related to history, words that were created in past history and they remain in use in the future and for all eternity. Language is a system of systems. Language is composed of words that are arranged in systems to form sentences that are meaningful and understandable. Language is primarily vocal. Vocal sound is first and more important, where we will use a voice or speak before writing. 5. Language is a social phenomenon. Language is a communication tool used by humans. 6. Language is non-instinctive convention. The point of this statement is that language will continue through its generation. Language will develop and everyone will have language skill. Language is systematic. We can use language through an orderly arrangement of words. Language is unique, creative, complex, and modifiable. 9. Duality. Duality means language has two systems, namely sound and meaning. Every sound will have the meaning. 10. Productivity. Language is creates and generates new ideas and thoughts that are organized and produce meaning. 11. Displacement. Through language, humans can tell about situation, place, and object. 12. Language is both linguistic and communicative competence. Language is a system of rules that produce meanings and sequence of sounds. 13. Language is a human structurally complex. Only humans acquire language, and the language can be set and modified. Human and animal communication. The things that are the difference between human and animal communication are as follows. 1. Language can convey a large number rather an infinite set of messages, whereas the number of messages conveyed through the communication system of animal is very limited. 2. Language makes use of clearly distinguishable, discrete, partially identifiable symbols, while animal communication systems are often continuous or non-discrete. 3. Animal communication systems are closed systems that permit of no change, modification, or addition. 4. Human language is far more structurally complex than animal communication. 5. Humans have language skill and learn language, where animals have limited ways of communicating. Why study language? Language is very important to learn because of growing era of all activities related to language. Language is a mean communication is all activities, play, and relationship from one human and another. And through language, knowledge, and culture are stored and passed on to every generation. Thus all human activity and knowledge is one possible through language. And that's all my presentation, and I say thank you.